Hi, it's David Martin, and I'm with Brett Moore with Montavilla Sewing Centers at Bernina University in Salt Lake City.
Yes.
Brett, this is cool. There's like all kinds of machines here.
Right, and I love Bernina University because every time I come, I get to see all the new products. I get to see all the new ideas, the creativity. It's so wonderful. And today we have some special machines to show.
Cool. Let's see it.
We have the model 325 from Bernina. Now, what I love about this machine is that it has the strength and capabilities of Bernina, yet it's at a low price. So I have the ability, if I'm just getting into sewing, this is a great machine for me.
So if you're a beginner like me,
Right.
and you don't know a whole lot about sewing or machines, this is the one you want to look at.
That's right. That's right.
Okay.
This is great, lightweight,
Oh.
easy to take with you.
It's got this little handle right here.
Yeah,
And this is strong enough to carry this whole machine. I could just pick it up.
Yeah, what I really love about these machines is how smooth they are,
Yeah.
how well they work. Uses all your Bernina feet. This is great. Same operating system on the screen that all the other machines have. You won't want to miss it. We have two new models. This is the 325 and a more beefed up model over here. This is the 335. Come on over here.
Okay.
So this is the one that's got more features on it, buttonholes built into it. This is one of my favorite ones right here. This is the new 7 Pro series. You want to sew like a pro, this is how you do it. First of all, they have the 10 inches in here because we want to have space for your quilts and your garments and everything like that. This is perfect. They beefed up these machines. These have great needle threaders, easy to use. There's 4 models to choose from embroidery only to more of a quilting machine to the very top model 790 Pro, which also has some great more embroidery features.
So, Brett, what do I do if I want to get like hands-on experience with one of these machines?
Well, we're going to carry these at our locations. So you want to come into any of the 4 Montavilla sewing locations and get a demonstration. We brought 7 staff to Bernina University so that you can go to any of our stores and get a great demo and get to feel these for yourself. So you won't want to miss out. You need to come in today to get your hands on one.